How to redeem a gift card online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and in the search bar, search for Target website. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, Target Expect More Pay Less. You will be landing on this interface. Enter your correct login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this profile icon at the top right. Tons of different options will be available to you, but you simply have to click on gift card. Now tap on save a new gift card. It will lead you to the page where you will be able to add your gift card. First of all, in this section, simply enter your gift card number and then enter your access number. Once you have entered both of them, click on add. Well, if the numbers are correct, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem a Target gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.